To get slimmer inner thighs and to trim off the fat on your outer thighs or your saddlebags, you're going to need 1 pack of water. And you want to start off with a 24-pack of 16-ounce bottles of water. Now, a 24-pack of water like this weighs about 25 pounds. So first, you're going to place your water long ways like this on one side of your chair. Then you're going to sit down, and it doesn't matter if you sit up straight or lean back. Then you're going to grab the chair to brace yourself. Then you're going to put one foot out of the way. Then you're going to take your other leg and work your inner thighs just like this. Slide it all the way over. Put this foot out of the way. Repeat, do the same thing on the other side. And that's all you're doing. Just sliding it over all the way over as far as you can, working those inner thighs. And up next, I'm going to show you how to do it if you don't have any water. So keep watching for that. But as you can see, that's all I'm doing. I'm sliding over as far as I can. I'm not in a rush. And notice, I'm sliding it over. I'm not kicking it over. I'm sliding over as far as I can. That's all I'm doing. And I keep my knees bent at a 90-degree angle. Now, to work on your outer hips or your saddlebags, you need to put both of your feet beside the water like this. Then you need to reposition the water a long way so it's right beside the feet like this. Then you're going to grab the chair with both hands again any way you want to. And then you're just going to open your legs up like this and work on your outer thighs. Take your time. Go to the other side, do the same thing. Open your legs up as far as they can go. Working on your outer thighs or saddlebags. Open it up. And the foot that's always doing the sliding, whether you're doing the inner or the outer thigh, the foot that's doing the sliding is always off the floor. So the foot that's sliding is not touching the floor. It's always at least an inch off the floor. And again, it's not a race. Take your time and just open your legs up. And believe me, you're going to feel it in your inner and outer thighs when you do this. You don't need water. Any empty container will work. Just fill it up with at least 10 to 20 pounds of stuff. Right now, there's a 20-pound dumbbell in the container I'm sliding across the floor. Now you don't have to worry about creepy old man like me staring at your kitty cat when you're at the gym. If you can kick the weight across the floor, then it's way too light. If you have to twist your body into a pretzel to move the weight, then it's way too heavy. When this gets too easy, do it with your legs straight out or extended like this with the weight or the water farther out from the chair. And once that gets too easy, go back to your legs being bent with the weight or water closer to your chair. And then you can add weight in your container or stack weight or stuff on top of your water, or you can use 2 packs of water. Don't count how many times you do it. Instead of counting reps, keep doing it for 30 seconds to 3 minutes. Stop, take a 1 to 3 minute break, and you're going to do that for 2 to 8 sets. And you only need to do this workout 1 to 2 days a week. This exercise only firms and tightens up your legs to make them look slimmer, but it does very little to actually burn off the cellulite and the fat around your legs. So I need you to watch this video. In that video, I'm going to show you how to use toilet paper to lose fat all over your body. With that video, you're going to lose enough fat to get an inner thigh gap and sexier hips.